As night descends, pathways become more than just passage. They become poetry in motion. Irradiar Pathlights trace gentle lines of light, guiding steps with grace and intention. Each fixture is a quiet sentinel, revealing the terrain while preserving the mystery of the landscape. With timeless design and a cast brass finish, they don't just show the way, they elevate the journey. This is path lighting reimagined with soul, purpose, and elegance. You might have seen our video on how to install the power hub to your landscape lighting layout. Our Irradiar by GM Lighting transformer was the first item we installed. We determined where our lighting scene was going to travel, as shown in this layout. Notice how we positioned the 12-volt wire. Now we're going to start placing fixtures in our landscape, starting with these die-cast brass path lights. Irradiar features a full line of path lights, from classic two-tier shades, adjustable oval path lights that provide total aiming control, small and large hat path lights that give you a choice in scale, and a ribbed hat path light that offers a unique look matched with superior performance. Now let's see what Monica's doing in our test garden.
Thanks, AJ. You know, pathway lights such as these aren't just around to illuminate the pathways. Look at these plants, for example, that I'm by. These are called lantanas. We see beautiful colors. Lantanas come in all different beautiful colors, but right now we're seeing yellows and reds. You want the lights to be placed in areas that either illuminate pathways or provide downlight. This area is full of color, as you can see. These beautiful pink and fuchsia flowers tower over this bushy salvia with the red flowers that attract hummingbirds during the day, and now at night it's going to attract some well-deserved illumination. Speaking of illumination, let's talk about the LED lamp source we are using. These G4 LED lamps provide strong and even illumination in a waterproof enclosure. They are perfect for this path light, and they are sold separately. Before installing any outdoor fixture, review local electrical codes and make sure the power is off. First, splice the leads from the pathway light into the main line. Using wire cutters, cut the strip away at least a ½ inch of insulation. Then join wires together and secure with twist-on wire connectors. I like to use these gel-filled wire connectors, also known as waterproof wire nuts. The gel seals out moisture once twisted on. Once the pathway light is wired, it's time to get it into the ground. Irradiar provides a very durable stake. Make sure that the wires are threaded through the stake and then drive the stake into the ground like this. Put a piece of board over the stake and give it a few whacks. Wow! Even during the day, this Irradiar pathway light looks amazing. I can't wait to see how it looks at night. What do you think, AJ?
Great job, Monica. And yeah, that Irradiar pathway light looks great during the day and at night. Wow, that's when the magic happens. You can check out our complete line of pathway lighting as well as our other Irradiar landscape lights at gmlighting.net. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. I hope all of your pathways are well lit.